The Tri-State Tornado, an infamous natural disaster, struck the American Midwest on March 18, 1925. This catastrophic event, known for its unprecedented scale and intensity, remains etched in history as one of the deadliest tornadoes ever recorded. This script delves into the details of this tragic event, highlighting its impact, the communities affected, and the enduring legacy it has left behind. The Tri-State Tornado began its devastating journey near Ellington, Missouri, at approximately 1 o'clock. Its sheer size and power were evident from the outset. As it advanced, it carved a path of destruction that extended through 3 states: Missouri, Illinois, and Indiana. The tornado's path was alarmingly long, stretching over 219 miles, making it one of the longest trekking tornadoes in recorded history. The tornado's intensity was staggering, with estimates suggesting that it reached an F5 rating on the enhanced Fujita scale, the highest level of tornado severity. The Tri-State Tornado's winds were reported to have reached speeds of up to 300 miles per hour. This extraordinary velocity contributed to the tornado's ability to cause such widespread damage. The impact of the tornado was felt most profoundly in the state of Illinois. The town of Murfreesboro bore the brunt of the storm. With a population of around 8,000 at the time, Murfreesboro experienced near total destruction. Nearly every building in the town was either severely damaged or completely destroyed. The storm's fury left the town in ruins, and the loss of life was catastrophic. The official death toll in Murfreesboro alone was reported to be around 234, making it one of the deadliest single-site tolls in U.S. history. Adjacent towns and cities were not spared from the tornado's wrath. In DeSoto, a neighboring town, the devastation was equally severe. Over 100 lives were lost in DeSoto, and the town's infrastructure was extensively damaged. The tornado's path continued to wreak havoc across southern Illinois, leaving behind a trail of destruction that would take years for the affected communities to recover from. The tornado's journey did not end with Illinois. As it moved eastward, it crossed into Indiana, where it continued to cause significant damage. The towns of Griffin and Princeton were heavily affected. In Griffin, the tornado destroyed much of the town's central business district. In Princeton, homes and businesses were flattened, and the loss of life was substantial. The tornado finally lifted near Petersburg, Indiana, but its impact was already firmly imprinted on the landscape. The human toll of the Tri-State Tornado was immense. The total death count across all 3 states reached 695, with more than 2,000 individuals injured. Thousands of homes were destroyed, and entire communities were left in disarray. The tornado's aftermath revealed the profound impact of nature's fury on human settlements, demonstrating the vulnerability of communities to such catastrophic events. In addition to the immediate physical destruction, the tornado also left a lasting psychological impact on survivors. The trauma of such a devastating event, combined with the loss of loved ones and property, had a profound effect on the mental health of those affected. The recovery process was arduous, and communities had to band together to rebuild their lives from the ruins. The response to the Tri-State Tornado involved a massive relief effort. Local, state, and federal agencies, along with charitable organizations, mobilized to provide aid to the affected regions. Relief efforts included the distribution of food, medical supplies, and temporary housing. The resilience of the affected communities, coupled with the support from various organizations, played a crucial role in the recovery process. In the years following the tornado, significant changes were implemented in tornado preparedness and response strategies. The sheer scale of the Tri-State Tornado highlighted the need for improved forecasting and warning systems. Advances in meteorology and communication technology have since played a vital role in enhancing the ability to predict and respond to tornadoes. The lessons learned from the Tri-State Tornado have contributed to the development of more effective early warning systems, which aim to minimize the impact of such disasters on communities. The Tri-State Tornado remains a poignant reminder of nature's power and the importance of preparedness and resilience. The event is commemorated through various memorials and educational initiatives, ensuring that the legacy of those affected endures. The historical significance of the Tri-State Tornado underscores the need for continued efforts in disaster preparedness and response to mitigate the impact of future natural disasters. In conclusion, the Tri-State Tornado of 1925 was a devastating event that left a lasting impact on the American Midwest. Its unprecedented scale, intensity, and the widespread destruction it caused have made it a significant historical event. The tornado's legacy lives on through the lessons learned and the improvements made in disaster response and preparedness. As we reflect on the events of March 18, 1925, we honor the memory of those who were affected and continue to strive for advancements that can help protect communities from similar disasters in the future.